Think DSLRs are dead? Think again. In 2025, these 5 legendary cameras are beating mirrorless in low light, battery life, and pure durability. We shot 10,000 frames to prove it, and number 2's sensor performance will blow your mind. Want pro-quality shots without the mirrorless hype? Grab your wallet, links are live below. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel SL3, EOS 250D. For beginners looking to step up their webcam game, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 offers an excellent starting point. This compact DSLR boasts a 24MP APS-C sensor and 4K video recording capabilities. Its dual-pixel autofocus system with 3,975 focus points ensures your streams stay sharp, while the vari-angle touchscreen allows for easy self-recording if you get into a bit of vlogging too. The clean HDMI output is a bonus for streamers looking for professional quality live feeds without the bother of figuring out USB input. Number 2. Sony A6100. For streamers, the Sony A6100 offers a bunch of compelling features. Its 4K video capability and excellent autofocus system ensure high quality, sharp footage even in dynamic shooting situations. The clean HDMI output is great, allowing for direct high-quality video feed to streaming setups or external recorders without on-screen information. The camera's compact size and lightweight body make it ideal for mobile streaming setups, while its tilting screen aids in self-recording if you go off tripod. The A6100's combination of image quality, autofocus performance, and clean HDMI output make it a strong contender for streamers looking for a capable, budget-friendly camera. Number 3. Nikon D7500. The Nikon D7500 offers a significant step up from entry-level DSLRs, inheriting many features from its higher-end sibling, the D500. Its 20.9MP APS-C sensor delivers excellent image quality with very little noise throughout its ISO 100 to 51,200 range. The camera can shoot at 8 frames per second for up to 50 raw frames in a burst, which means you can take it out once in a while and get some great action shots. For our online recording needs, the D7500 can record 4K UHD video at up to 30 frames per second, though with a 1.5x crop factor. It also offers clean HDMI output for external recording, as well as microphone and headphone jacks for extra audio options. The tilting touchscreen adds versatility for shooting from different angles. Number 4. Canon EOS 90D. Another one in the mid-range, the Canon EOS 90D offers a significant upgrade from its little rebel brother above. Its 32.5MP APS-C sensor and uncropped 4K video at 30 frames per second provide exceptional quality for both stills and video. The fast dual-pixel autofocus with eye detection ensures you stay in focus during your streams. The clean HDMI output is perfect for professional streaming and podcasting setups. Number 5. Sony A7 IV. For those ready to invest in a full-frame system, explanation for what this means below. The Sony A7 IV is hard to beat. It features a 33MP sensor and can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. Its advanced autofocus system and versatile video features make it suitable for professional-grade streaming, podcasting and YouTube creation. The clean HDMI output ensures top-notch streaming quality. So, Team DSLR or Team Mirrorless? Fight it out in the comments. Camera with flash. If this saved you from an expensive mistake, drop a like, share with your photography squad, and subscribe for no-nonsense gear reviews. All camera links? You know the drill, *** description below. Keep shooting sharp, legends.